weird tasting challenge, right? That's what you said.
I thought so. At least something edible.
At least something edible. Everything I gave you is edible. Make life get rough on you, we see. If you're not edible.
So weird.
Come,
don't go eat those shit.
Chew. Just long out your tongue, give me.
Me love pepper, I know.
What is that?
Pepper seed.
Pepper seed? You love pepper? So you're not ant?
Mm-mm.
A tree not ant, a get way.
You add it over.
Because of worthless. Pepper worthless, you see? Sure.
Me love pepper, so nothing wrong.
What do you mean one day? What do you mean one
Me
day?
get how me live.
Gee, she really love pepper, you're savage. What do you?
Yes, millions.
So guys, we are here with another banger video. If you notice, we're still in the same clothes. So we're just gonna use one stone and kill two birds. Yeah. So in this video, we will be doing the
We don't remember.
taste.
Weird tasting challenge.
Huh?
Weird tasting challenge.
Weird food tasting challenge.
Weird food tasting challenge. Stay tuned. Before we proceed, guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, please do not be afraid to share it with your friends and your family. Alright, ciao!
Let's begin. Anyways, so,
We're gonna play rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
To see who is going to go first. Malika gonna kill you.
Ready? Rock, paper, rock, paper, rock.
Okay.
Rock, paper, rock, paper.
Rock, paper. Come, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, second.
Rock,
paper, scissors, shoot. Boom. Yeah, go first. Start off nice or start off hard?
I don't care what you want to do because Kyle just watch if they match up with my items, yeah?
No, we're not
That's
sure.
all matter to me right now.
Come,
so let's
cover
go.
your eyes.
Let me cover my hands. And it's just a small amount. In name taste, not eat, so not feed me.
Can you go see what?
Guys, we did not get to put our items in a bag, so we hide it somewhere else. But before she give it to me, she'll show it to you guys. So you'll see what. Hey! I see you so long, man.
Come here, move them.
Sure.
I want them stairs.
Come, let's go.
First thing is this. I'm not going bad on the first try because I don't want to kill her.
Oh. Where's she there?
So come. Ready?
Like I want to go
Open
kill
up.
me. Open up what?
Open
You
up.
cannot block the camera, remember.
Open
I'm
up.
just going to give you my tongue.
Open
You
up.
can't tell me to open up necessarily.
Open up.
You're going to get my tongue. Come.
That's for repair. So, you're in trouble, you know? Yeah, trouble there, you boy.
Ow.
Mayonnaise, where you get it from?
Mayonnaise. Come, check it.
No!
Check it. Check it.
Ketchup.
Yes, I catch it.
My God, ketchup. Come. You finished? You ready for me?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Malik? Shh.
Mm-hmm. Let's go. Am I supposed to be scared?
Why would you be?
Because you're Nisha.
I don't know if you want to open your mouth Or do you want to stretch out your tongue?
Oh.
You're a good girl. What is that?
I love
Alright, I get that. Come run over. Kylie here, clean up my spoon.
Okay.
Come Monique. Come all Monique. Roll.
I'm in here.
You ready? Mm-hmm.
Come now, go to talk more, man. Come, you don't give a taste. No, come.
Yes, Monique.
You never
I burn me.
TSC. How you burn you?
Season.
No,
Salt.
no, yes, with a.
It don't matter what a salt.
Not a salt alone, enough more so in there. So
Me could never tell a salt.
Come, no, you
No, me give it a salt.
No, TSC again. If you taste more, you get tinge your tongue and you up more. Come.
I can't tell what for the salt and pepper.
No.
Salt and ketchup.
What else?
Me not care. Get it. Me get it. Bright, what's with come and kill me? Alright, tie your face.
Sugar.
Alright, Monique, you ready?
But yeah, my little laugh now. What is that?
Kylie,
Yeah.
look here. Yeah. Come Monique. Open sesame. But we can't see your tongue. Okay. Yes, what is it? Yeah? Yeah, man.
A powder.
No, I don't have any powder. No, not powder.
Edible.
Bad. Very expensive too.
I am mixing something.
I know, no, mixy.
How am I supposed to know what it is?
Taste it. You use a tongue to taste. So use a tongue and
It
taste.
is very blonde.
I know. What is it?
Blonde.
When you
Me don't know.
You give up?
Sure.
Cornmeal.
Me just vocabulary.
Money. Cornmeal. Go money.
We just vocabulary.
Money, get our box. Things, Zamina.
So next thing is this. Think I can see it. This. Yes.
Where are you?
Coming.
It's taking too long.
The liquid, so don't let it spill.
Okay.
Ready?
Long
Your
time.
name out.
Smell it, so I know what.
You know already. It tastes nice or it tastes nasty?
It tastes good of vanilla. It tastes good at all. Smell it. Huh?
Pepper seed, it tastes nice.
Okay.
Afraid.
Don't be afraid, my cousin.
When they say like that, me just get more scared.
Everything is gonna be alright. Everything
Yeah,
is
I'm
gonna
back up
be
now,
alright.
you know.
Indeed. Open your mouth.
A medicine?
No.
And a medicine?
Want taste it again? Or it taste?
Sure, what is it?
Okay, no problem.
It tastes like DPH.
I know DPS, mama.
Oh, God, I feel like it around my belly already.
No, your belly not run. Open.
A juice?
Me don't know what it tastes like.
It tastes like juice.
Try again.
No, it tastes like no. Hold on.
Tell me, man. Tell me. Cool. What it tastes like?
Me know.
Our.
Apple somehow.
I don't know. Apple in the hand. Food with apple.
Oh, God, it tastes like apple.
You give up?
Sure, how what is it?
Open your eyes.
A bowl!
You know what? If I love it, I couldn't tell you say home. What if I never love it? Oh God, that's saucy. Holy God!
Kylie, look.
Kylie, is she looking in the closet?
So I is this. I got it last night, but never did eat it. Some.
I
Ready? And it cold too, you know, so.
Hey, nigga, like it.
Yikes.
Hurry up and feed me. Hurry up and feed me. Forward.
Ready?
Long time. Come on.
Oh,
Smelling nice.
No.
Yeah, open your mouth for that one. Come.
Okay, open your
May I
mouth.
open it?
Ah.
Mashed potato.
And gravy.
And gravy. Mm.
Is it good? Is it bad?
It happy good. Monique, are you peeping?
No, it's bad.
Make sure.
We want to see that banana for
Monique.
that, huh?
No talking.
No. I'm a sip.
Open your mouth or push out your tongue.
Ibita. I can't. I will just give me a drink.
Our.
I can't make it up.
No. What is it?
Olive
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Alright, so Monique, olive oil. So me kill you in every round. We have 2 more rounds. So you have to come with some hotter for me. And then we come with some hotter. And then we end it, right?
So we get
So at the last half this now. So you're going to get something deadly for me. Come here, I look something deadly for you. Alright, so come in, Mama Monique, and tap.
last round. Or this again, but I'm gonna make sure I'm out of time because we don't want to turn our teeth. You ready?
Jesus is Lord. Don't mess up the pretty dress.
Yeah, you know, if you mess up my pretty dress.
Come in. Toward that sun, me know how.
Oh.
Put a towel over me.
My towel, if you turn up my towel.
Put a towel over me. Thank you. Let it go. Come on, Nick, remember the phone.
Ready?
Long time.
Ready? Just tip it on it.
Food coloring.
Very blonde.
You gave me an hint. You gave me an hint.
Me know, say me get into me see it.
Yeah.
The
The girl turned me in a blue.
You see there go?
Partially done.
Little bit.
Mm-hmm.
You go come off.
Now come on.
Eventually.
Please to sit. Sit, bubble sit. Sit, bubble sit. Come play with face.
I'm supposed to be scared because Kylie did a laugh like I say a wild animal that come.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Please remember to share, like, subscribe and comment below. So it is my last round and this is the end of the video. So let's see how she's going to react. So guys, I'm going to end it properly.
Oh God.
When I say properly, I mean properly. I'm going to deal with her properly. Audience, so Mr. Meka deal with her?
Properly.
Mr. Meka deal with her?
Properly.
Alright.
Lord save me.
Long out your tongue. Like the tongue now? Just hold up your head a little.
It's smelly already.
No, come. I don't smell nothing.
It's smelly already.
Up in the mouth, come and smell the other one too.
No, I'll leave it here.
Wait, yes.
Give it a